some documents for our wedding. And also, today ang aming first meeting with the suppliers. So, we are parking now. We're outside the Barangay Mankilam, Barangay Hall. So here, we are at Barangay Mankilam. Kumuha si Bobby ng barangay clearance and cedula.
Kuya is having a smoke. Hi, Kuya.
Mga mesh ko sa
Hindi na ba
gawin.
maghatag po mga samples, pictures po mga
Sige. Pero initially kay katong sana cream, blush pink and white lang ang una. Initial na mo na ano,
ay more mo mag-neutral.
neutrals. So this one, nag-try lang ko og mga prenup dresses. So this is actually a wedding gown, pero I'm not gonna wear this sa wedding. So gina-try lang na ako if okay siya for the prenup. Pero grabe kayo yung labas na labas yung boobs. So we ended up saving this dress, pero di ito yung gagamitin namin sa prenup namin soon. This one naman, I think I'll be wearing this prenup Jude. So just for the prenup, it's not a wedding gown. It is a wedding gown, but I'm not gonna wear this sa actual wedding. So medyo slim ko tanawon dire, pero grabe na gyud akong hiyak-hiyak. I wasn't able to film everything that happened that day. Medyo busy jud kayo mi on October 5, pero gipilit na mo uli sa Davao. And then the next day, kumain kami sa bago namin nahanap na restaurant in SM Lanang. So I think bago lang to siya in SM Lanang. This is Botage Yu, Japanese restaurant, and authentic yung mga Japanese foods nila here. Masasarap din. In preparation sa aming kasal, so we already had the first suppliers meeting. So nag-meet kami ng mga suppliers, and then we planned for the prenup, which will happen on October 26, 2023. And also before that, pumunta kami sa kanya-kanya naming municipality and barangay halls kay nagkuha mi og mga requirements. So grabe kayo. Di jud lalim kaslon, guys. Di jud emergency ang magpakasal. So kinahanglan jud siya atimanon, pati mga papeles. So medyo layo-layo pa naman noon ang ang kasal. But in reality, doon na lang gid siya, oy. Kay paspas kayo ang panahon. Wala damha. May na-engaged, and then it's already October now. Pahumanay na ang October. Hapit na ang February. So gamay na lang yung kembot. And unta, ma-okay na mo mga papers and stuff. I guess that's it for today. Thanks. Bye.